Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML entities, and right now we'll be discussing about some Greek letters supported by HTML. They are all here, some of them are here. So let me show you this little out of it. This one you are seeing right here, this A you are seeing right here is A alpha, Greek capital letter alpha. This B you are seeing right here is Greek capital letter beta, and also this one you are seeing right here is Greek capital letter gamma. Also this one is Greek capital letter delta. This one is capital letter epsilon, and this one right here is capital letter zeta from the Greek. So quickly, let me show you how this works in our document. In our previous tutorial, we discussed about all this. So you can check our HTML entities playlist to find all the documentary that we have found so far, gathered up so far for this. So you can check our playlist on it. We have HTML entities playlist, so you can check it. And also, let me quickly show you this right here. We are going to use this beta. You can use, don't forget, in our previous tutorial we discussed that you can use this numeric one, and you can use this alphabetic one, and also you can use the one of hexadecimal one. But right now we are going to use this numeric one to bring out the B. So let's just delete this one we are having right here and place the B here, and the other one also we can use. Let's use alpha like this, alpha. Let's give it a space and put alpha there, and also let's keep another one there also. We need, like, let's take gamma. We use gamma also. This theory we have took. Let's reload our document to see how it looks. Can you see we are having B, beta, we are having alpha, we are having gamma. So again, let me show you some of it again. You can use delta. Let's use delta numeric, which is the decimal one. Let's take delta decimal, and also we can take epsilon decimal. Don't forget every one of it, either decimal you are using or either the alphabetical one you are using, they all ends with semicolon. Don't you forget. And also let's use zeta. So I'm mixing it so that you guys can understand what I'm talking about. This one, or this one right here, they are going to display their entity characters, and also all this one right, they are also going to display something. So let me save it all and see what we have gotten so far. Can you see we're having beta, we're having alpha, we're having zeta, sorry, we're having, I forgot the name of this one, we're having gamma, yes, we're having delta, we are having epsilon, and we are having zeta. As you can see, all these, they are the Greek letters entities supported by the HTML entity. So in our next tutorial, we are still going to talk about this much better. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Don't forget, all these things, there are much more. There are more letters you can find that you can use in your document. It depends on what you are doing. Depend on if your document need it or it doesn't need it. So don't you forget, it may compulsory for you to use it, and sometimes you may not need it. It's not compulsory. So that's what I want to tell you guys. Have a great day.